Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Denis and I'm a real estate broker here in South Florida. Today we are back in Hallandale Beach and we're about to show you one of the recently finished projects. It's called 2000 Ocean, and Leslie from the sales office, she's gonna give us a tour. Let's go. Guys, so I have Leslie with me. She's the sales representative for this beautiful project. It's the newest tower and addition to Hallandale Beach, and she's gonna take from here and give you everything that she knows about it. Please.
Hi Denis, thank you for having me here.
I didn't have a choice.
It's such a pleasure to have you here at 2000 Ocean. So 2000 Ocean, it's the most gorgeous and luxurious building in the area of Hallandale Beach, right? We're very proud of what we have accomplished. And my developer is Shahab Karmeli. So he has impeccable taste and he really surrounded himself with the best possible team to create this project. So we have an architect, which is Enrique Norton from 10 Arquitectos, the Mexican with the most recognition around the world, with Sasaki, that it's a Japanese company that initiated with Hideo Sasaki, doing all of the beautiful landscaping throughout the building.
Sorry for interruption. Are they those people who did the landscaping in front of the building? The
living wall, the beautiful living wall and everything, it's Sasaki landscaping.
I wanted to ask you who did it, because we showed it to guys, but it's gorgeous. You know, when you enter the building, first time when I entered it, I just stopped my car, I'd exit and I took a picture because it looks like, wow, impressive.
And it's all natural.
Yeah, that's most important. It's not plastic.
Yes.
Like some of the buildings they do, I'm not going to mention any names, but some of the buildings like that been recently built, they do have those plastic
that it's
walls.
not real. Yes. So having this building is all about the wellness. So part of it is having Sasaki with the landscaping. Minotti, we're very proud to be the first Minotti building in the United States doing entire building. All the common areas, interiors and exteriors are all done by Minotti. So with that background, the Italian, you know, behind Japanese, the Latin architect, this is truly a spectacular building.
It's a nice combination.
Very nice combination. So we are a 38-story building, but what you see on top is our exclusive Sky Villa. That's on the 39th and 40. So it's a 40-story, really, if you count the Sky Villa, right? We started residences on the 5th floor with only 2 per floor. The views are spectacular because you have unobstructed views. They're both corner units, sunrise to sunset, east to west. So really nice, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bath plus a den. The interior square footage is 2,913, so almost 3,000 of living space, which is great, very comfortable. The way they are, it's very nice because you come out of the private elevator that takes you straight to your residence into this area, the living room, the kitchen, beautiful. You could have your dining here, you have a den. And the master bedroom is located on the west side because you have partial ocean view there and also beautiful intracoastal views and city lights.
Nice. I like the layout personally.
It's a great layout. The floor plans are very easy to understand. Again, only 2 per floor and they're mirror images. Starting on the 35th floor, we have full floor residences. So those have 360-degree views. The most amazing views in South Florida are in 2000 Ocean, because you get Miami and Fort Lauderdale, the best of both worlds. It's a centralized location, so
especially on a clear day like today.
Exactly. Another great characteristic of the building is that we're positioned closer to the ocean than the building around us. So really, when you come out of the elevator, you feel that you're on top of the ocean, like if you were in a cruise ship.
You can hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear it in the video, but we can hear doors are open and we can hear ocean right away, right now. All right, Leslie, where we are?
We're at the beautiful East Terrace. This terrace is 10 foot deep by 30 foot long. This is
Nice.
our north residence. So look at the views that you get. Like I said before, you feel that you're on top of a cruise ship in this building. So let me take you around.
Let's go. Oh, before we go, one question. I think you can even put like a summer kitchen if you want to, right? Like
You
a grill?
could. We have an outlet over there. So if people wanted to do barbecues,
it.
they could do it. As long as it's electric, no problem.
Yeah, of course.
So when this elevator opens up, you have a great view
to the
and a
ocean.
great also entertaining area. Everything connects. So the views are truly spectacular, magnificent.
Yeah, once it's open, you have right away blast, ocean blast in your eyes. Let's put it that way.
Then the kitchen is located here, right? All the appliances are Gaggenau, BOFFI kitchen made in Padova. Like I said, we can see the size, industrial refrigerator. All of the appliances are great. The
Gaggenau.
oven.
Yeah, I like that model. As I mentioned, off the camera, I haven't seen that model before. Great.
So let me take you around the corridor. This is a great corridor because it comes with the LED lights. All of these lights are already included. And you have privacy. So the first thing we have here is the powder room. As you can see. Then we move into the den area. The den is quite large. If people needed a 4-bedroom, they can close this up and do it themselves, no problem. We have buyers that have done that. But it's actually very spacious. You can have here an office, a family room.
You can put like a double chair, right, as you have right here.
Exactly.
Corner sofa, yeah, it's very deep. It's like what size of it? Probably like 10 by...
This is the largest, so in comparison with the other bedrooms, this will be the largest.
It's even bigger.
It's even bigger, you'll see.
And you have view even from here, right? Even from a den, you have a view on the ocean as well.
This is our laundry area. We're not gonna show that now. Then we come into the third bedroom. So this bedroom fits a queen size bed with 2 nightstands perfectly. All the doors are done by Lualdi. Very nice to see this beautiful. We have 2 different types. This is a frosted glass door by Lualdi. Yeah, the only difference between the third bedroom and the second bedroom is that one has a shower and the other one has a bathtub.
And I've never seen in the new developments so far, only in that project, those frosted doors.
Correct.
It's
This
really
developer
cool when you see
really,
something unique.
the quality that he's putting in this building is like no other building, really.
Yeah,
so,
I see the marble they use, and you mentioned Minotti, the brands. It's something not that pretty much every developer does.
correct.
It's not like common for Miami.
This is Shahab's signature project, so he's very proud of what he has delivered, as far as the finishes. No one really delivers with cove lighting, even closets by B&B Italia on the master bedroom now. That's something that, no other developer will include closets. So.
Nice. And the pricing here, the start.
So pricing now, we're starting at 3.2. We've sold more than, at this point, we have more than 50% sales. So we do have some availability. We're ready. We have units that are ready now, and we have units that will be ready in the next 3 months. So if you have a client that is interested in buying immediately, we have units that are ready and they can close in 30 days. If they want to wait a little longer, we have that option as well.
And I see we're in the model unit. This one is also for sale, right?
This one is for sale. We have it with Artefacto. This is a beautiful unit, all done by Artefacto. You can see the wallpaper. Even the window treatments are included here. We have this one listed at 3.862, not including the art. If they want to include the artwork, that's another 40,000. But it's ready. So anybody that wants something immediately, they can have this one.
Okay. And if for example, the unit not furnished and finished by Artefacto, it comes ready with a kitchen, marble. You have options for marble. I don't want to say only one option. It's a really gorgeous option for the marble. You don't see that often, but that's the option that you guys...
So we're delivering fully finished. At this stage, all of the units are done. We only have a couple that, you know, don't have the floors yet, but you know, we have two options for that. However, the rest have been done. The majority of the kitchens are also installed. We're waiting for a few kitchens. So those are the units that I'm telling you that we could delay the closing a little bit for that reason. The units come with this kitchen. This is a BOFFI kitchen. We do have a couple of options with a dark color kitchen. So if you have a client that is interested in a dark version, we have that as well.
Okay.
But they come as is. They're ready because they're customized kitchens, all done in Padova, Italy. All the appliances are Gaggenau appliances.
Gaggenau appliances, BOFFI kitchens, right? You mentioned
BOFFI kitchens. The wine cooler is by Uline. So you have the best of the best. Gaggenau is the #1 company around.
Germans, yeah.
Yes. The floors, this finish is called a Pietra Serena honed stone. So it's the majority of the residents have this flooring already installed, and this is a beautiful finish with this color kitchen, as you can see. So we do have a couple of options with porcelain floors. If a client wants white porcelains, we do have that as well. But the majority are ready, like I said, with this finish. This is the vibe throughout the building.
And let me ask you, all the units in the building, the same size, no matter what floor it is, right?
Correct.
For some of the buildings. And what about the penthouses? How big penthouses?
Penthouses have
If you have any.
5832 square footage of interior space. So it's double the space, almost 6,000, right? And with the balconies, it's an extra 950. So they're just double, and you have 360-degree views, but the views are spectacular because from a high floor here, you see everything. You see the skyline of Miami, you see Fort Lauderdale, even Palm Beach from here.
Yeah, clear day, that's for sure. And the ceiling you have here and the penthouses, by the way.
So the ceiling heights are 10-foot ceilings, and they're the same throughout the building, except for the Sky Villa. The Sky Villa is the most exclusive that we have. We have not released it yet, but that's on 39 and 40 floor. We have a private pool there and more than 10,000 of interior space. So that one has higher ceilings, but the rest have all the same high-foot ceilings.
And how much are you going to ask for it?
We haven't released it yet. Most likely, if it's fully finished, 33 million.
33.
The penthouses start at 10.8 on penthouse 35. So right now we're getting ready to launch that one. So I'll invite you there also once it's ready. It's almost ready, 35th floor.
Great.
Now we're walking into the secondary bedroom. This one has the bathtub, like I said.
Yep.
Then we have
Closet and also ocean view, side ocean view.
yes.
Great. And I think now we will see the master, right?
Yes, now we're gonna go into the master.
Apartment.
The units have 3 AC zones, which is great. One is in the powder room for that area. Then we have the other one here. And then we have one in the master for this area. And then this is the master bedroom, of course. So you have gorgeous views at night of the intracoastal.
And sunset, right?
And then come over here, please.
After you.
Let me show you. So from here we can see, Denis, our 4th floor, which is where we have a lot of the amenities. We have the spa pavilion there, West pool deck, jacuzzi, yoga studio, meditation gardens.
Okay. Sometimes, like when I stay like this, and I have a client saying, like, you don't afraid of heights? I was like, no, you know, when you work 10 years in the real estate and you go up to like 50, 60 floors, you're kind of used to it, right?
Yeah, you get totally used to it.
Some people, when I show some clients, they like just go one step Look, they're afraid of
Yes,
heights.
and they're
But you
afraid.
get used to it. It's a pool. On this side, you have two pools. One sunset pool, right? And one sunrise pool on the
Correct.
beach side.
So when the sun goes down, it's great to come to this area. You have daytime cabanas on both sides. Here we also have a sauna, an ice room, a room for facials,
Ice room,
massages.
wow, good. Great.
This is the toilet by Duravid.
And is it the steam shower or just a regular shower?
Regular shower.
Regular
We
shower,
have a bench with LED lights, as you can see. This is all Calacara marble.
Yep, I see.
You have two drawers here.
And that unit, can you remind me again? The asking price is 3.8, right? 3.8.
3.862, including the window treatments, you know, of course, all the wallpaper and all the furniture from Artefacto. If they want to include the artwork as well,
extra 40,000. Right?
correct.
Perfect. Thank you, Leslie. Anything else you'd like to add?
We look forward to seeing you and to have you here at 2000. I know that, you know, you'll come back very soon. And any questions, you can always call me anytime and I'll be happy to answer them. Again, this is the best time because we still have units available. You know, we have availability in high floors, mid floors, you know, a couple of low floors. So prices are still
Price is negotiable?
very little, but
Okay.
we could do something, but very little.
Sounds good. Thank you, Leslie. Thank you for having us. I'll see you next time.
Thank you, Dennis. Bye-bye.